Good afternoon, this is Auto Bunkers here. Today we're going to service that V8 Touareg. I think this is one of Australia. I think they produce like a 9 in Australia, and then this is one of a V8 Touareg. So the filter V6 is at the top of it, this one's bottom here. So to get to the filter, so you got to drain the oil from there. So you got to replace the washer and then filter, but not just a filter. So have a look at it here. So you got the filter that you probably better use a Volkswagen genuine filter, because otherwise, you know, it's a V8 Touareg, so you don't want to use aftermarket filter. So yep, so Volkswagen genuine filter, and then they have a O-ring seals. So I just gonna put it in here. So yeah, it's got the cover here, and then you replace the O-ring, and then this one. So you put the filter in. So I will show you. So this one, put it in because it's got a O-rings. So you gotta make sure put it in right. Yeah, that. Yeah, and then doesn't need to be here. Fit, so you gotta make sure the fit here, so, and then oil comes down to suck the oil, the pump to suck the oil, so to make sure that it fits right on, and then you put this plastic lid cover back onto it. So but you gotta change that O-ring. So after that there is another cover. So this is full of the nuts and bolts, but yeah, so this is from the bottom. When that O-rings change it, I'll show you this one how to put it in, but just let you guys know that. So when you order the filter, you need to order this, the cap, the O-ring seals. So you gotta replace this one as well, because otherwise it gives you oil leak. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.